Today we're gonna make a do-it-yourself sneeze protector, but it's gonna be a U channel. See the ones that are in here? This is a very basic one, but we're gonna get a little fancy today, and we're gonna make a sneeze protector that's gonna be in the shape of a U. So right now, in order to make this happen, you take your PVC pipe and you use this tool to cut it, and that way you won't make any mess. And what you need is, these are 4 pieces at 12 inches. These are 4 pieces at 14 3/4. 2 pieces at 21.5 inches. 4 elbows, and then 4 of these 3-ways. All right, so let's build it.